Hello friends, Namaste. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share another healthy breakfast recipe with millet java idli. It is an ideal breakfast for whole family. With low glycemic index and complex carbohydrate, it helps to control blood sugar level. So it is very useful for diabetic patients. Jowar is rich source of fiber and protein. It helps to reduce weight. So it is ideal breakfast for obese people. Let us start with the recipe. Take 1 cup of black gram dal or split urad dal and 2 tablespoons of fenugreek or methi seeds. We have discussed the health benefits of fenugreek seeds. The link is in the description box below. Wash them thoroughly and soak it in water, preferably hot water. Water level should be just above the level of dal. This is Jowar Idli Rava. Jowar is the powerhouse of calcium, copper, zinc, phosphorus, potassium and vitamin B. It is rich source of antioxidants and it fights with free radicals. It improves heart health and boosts immune system. In that same measuring cup, measure 2 cups of Jowar Idli Rava. Wash it thoroughly and soak it in water for 1 to 2 hours. Transfer soaked dal and fenugreek mixture along with soaked water into a blender. For this add 1 cup of thin poha soaked in water. Grind it to form smooth paste. Transfer it to a large bowl. Now drain the water from soaked jowar rava and add it to that ground mixture. Add rock salt to taste and mix well. Close the lid and allow it to ferment for 8 to 12 hours. This is well fermented batter. Again mix gently. This is the perfect batter consistency. If the batter is too thick, add little warm water. Grease your idli molds with ghee or coconut oil and pour the batter into the idli molds. Steam cook for 20 to 30 minutes. Allow it to cool for 5 minutes. Soft and spongy jowar idli is ready to serve. Serve with any side dish of your choice. Eat healthy, live healthy. Thank you for watching.